Why is it so difficult to relax in the water when you're learning to swim? First of all, any learning new things, anytime you go into anything new, there's a certain amount of tension, right? Of not being relaxed. But if what we want, our goal and desire is, oh, it looks so easy and so relaxing and so restful and delightful, or it looks like hard work, but then you get to rest afterwards. So if we want this to be part of our swimming journey, we need to investigate about relaxing. So the first thing I'm going to say is let yourself be tense. Let yourself be not relaxed. Let yourself see it as this is normal that I have a lot of tension going in. There's a lot of reasons why. I'm not going to go into them now. This is a 1-minute video. There's lots of reasons why. But let yourself see, okay, of course I'm tense and I'm not relaxed right now. Let me lean into that. Let me go into a space that I'm perfectly and 100% safe to be with all of this tension. Now I can start to investigate it, unfold it, and some answers can come forward to it. It's not that we want this all of the time, but we want to allow where you are right now, your starting place. I am tense. Let me be with it, not resist it.